Imagine meditation as a journey within a journey to the heart of your consciousness. It's not just about sitting cross-legged, it's a doorway to the realm of mindfulness. Think of mindfulness as your internal compass, steering you through the landscapes of your thoughts, emotions, and sensations. So, what is meditation? It's the art of paying attention intentionally and non-judgmentally to the present moment. It's like becoming the curious observer of your own experience. And let's be real, in our fast-paced world, that's quite the skill to cultivate. Now, picture Jack Kornfield, a modern-day sage who delves into the heart of mindfulness. He emphasizes that meditation isn't about escaping life's challenges, but rather meeting them with clarity and compassion. As you sit or lie down, you're not seeking to blank out your thoughts. You're creating a sacred space to embrace them, gently steering them back to the present moment. One of Jack's signature practices is the loving-kindness meditation, or metta. It's like wrapping yourself in a cocoon of compassion and extending it to others. Imagine sitting comfortably, quietly repeating phrases that cultivate love, goodwill, and kindness towards yourself, loved ones, and even those who challenge you. It's a practice that's like watering the seeds of kindness in your heart. Jack reminds us that mindfulness isn't just a solo journey. It's a way to deepen connections with those around us. His teachings explore how mindful communication can transform conflicts into opportunities for growth and understanding. It's been told to be like learning the language of the heart. And then there's the jewel of insight meditation. Picture yourself sitting in silence, gently observing your thoughts, emotions, and bodily sensations. It's not about chasing them away, it's about acknowledging their presence without judgment. This practice cultivates self-awareness and empowers you to respond, not react, to life's challenges. Jack Kornfield's teachings are a mix of practices that celebrate the beauty of human experience. He doesn't just hand you a roadmap, he walks beside you, offering guidance as you navigate the landscapes of your inner world. It's about learning to dance with life's rhythms, embracing both the light and the shadow. Another true Zen master is the famous Thich Nhat Hanh, who emphasizes mindful breathing as an anchor. Imagine your breath as a lifeline, connecting you to the here and now. It's like a rhythm that syncs your awareness with the universe's heartbeat. Thich Nhat Hanh's teaching methods mirror the tranquility of a calm pond. One of his signature practices is the walking meditation. It's like a slow dance with the earth beneath your feet. Picture yourself strolling mindfully, each step a reminder of your connection to the world around you. With each footfall, you're present, fully immersed in the here and now. He also teaches the art of deep listening, that true communication goes beyond words. It's about giving your full attention. One must be fully present as someone speaks, without jumping to judgments or formulating responses. It's a gift of love, a way of saying, "I'm here for you." And then there's the bell of mindfulness. This works by hearing a trigger, like hearing a bell. It could be an actual bell, a phone notification, or any sound that grabs your attention. When you hear it, pause. Take a deep breath and smile, returning to the present moment. It's like hitting the reset button on your day, a moment of serenity in the midst of chaos. Thich Nhat Hanh's teachings revolve around simplicity and mindfulness as a way of life. They're an invitation to savor the ordinary, to find beauty in the mundane. His words remind us that mindfulness isn't a destination, it's a journey, a practice that infuses each moment with grace and awareness. As we continue our journey, let's carry Thich Nhat Hanh's teachings with us, the gift of mindful presence, the art of deep listening, and the joy of simplicity. With each breath, may we touch the depth of our being and cultivate the seeds of mindfulness in our hearts. Now, let's dive into what we've uncovered about meditation's effects from a scientific point of view. Science has peeked behind the curtain and discovered something fascinating. Our brains are pretty malleable and can be changed with simple training methods. Meditation acts as a kind of mental workout, reshaping the very structure of our brains. It's like a fitness regimen for your mind, sculpting it into a lean, mean, mindful machine. Research has shown that meditation literally thickens the prefrontal cortex, the area responsible for decision-making and emotional regulation. It's like upgrading your brain's software, enhancing focus and self-awareness. But that's not all. The amygdala, your emotional radar, also undergoes a transformation. Meditation regulates its reactivity, reducing anxiety and stress. Imagine it as a chill pill for your brain. As we cultivate this state, the default mode network responsible for mind-wandering takes a breather. It's like stepping out of the whirlwind of thoughts and into the calm eye of the storm. This heightened awareness reshapes our responses to challenges, fostering resilience and clarity. Journeying deeper into the body, we uncover meditation's influence on our physiology. Blood pressure finds equilibrium, inflammation takes a back seat, and the immune system gets a boost. It's like a full mind and body service, something we all need regularly to stay healthy. The effects of meditation aren't just confined to our minds or bodies. They ripple out, transforming our relationships, our outlook on life, and even how we interact with the world around us. It's like dropping a pebble in a pond, watching the ripples of awareness spread far and wide, affecting all things it comes in contact with. Scientific studies have opened a door to the inner workings of meditation, revealing remarkable insights. One key discovery involves the brain's remarkable ability to change a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. It's like watching a sculptor reshape a masterpiece, except the masterpiece is your brain. Brain scans have shown that consistent meditation thickens the prefrontal cortex, the manager of your brain responsible for judgment, decision-making, and emotional regulation. In other words, meditation refines your brain's control center, helping you stay cool under pressure and make more mindful choices. But that's not all. Remember the amygdala, your brain's emotional epicenter? Well, studies have revealed that meditation tones down its reactivity. Imagine your emotional responses going from a roller coaster to a leisurely stroll in the park. This means reduced anxiety, lower stress levels, and more emotional balance in your day-to-day life. Now, for those intrigued by the mechanics of mindfulness, there's something called the default mode network. This is your brain's daydreaming network, responsible for your mind's wanderings. Guess what? Meditation quiets this network, ushering in a state of heightened awareness. It's like shifting from autopilot to full presence mode. The effects don't stop at the mind's edge, they cascade through the body. Blood pressure tends to stabilize, inflammation decreases, and the immune system strengthens. It's like giving your body a well-deserved spa day. Studies have even hinted at the potential for meditation to influence our genes, orchestrating positive changes at a genetic level. A study of 18 volunteers who were monitored over a 3-year period showed that they all experienced long-term reductions in depression. Inflammatory chemicals named cytokines can affect mood, and this can lead to depression. Many studies suggest that meditation reduces depression as it aids the reduction of these inflammatory chemicals. Another study that was controlled looked at the electrical activity between the brains of those who practiced mindful meditation and those who didn't. The people who meditated showed active changes in the brain, responsible for controlling positive thinking, optimism, and happiness. All these findings come together to paint a fascinating picture. Meditation isn't just a fancy mental exercise. It's an invitation to rewire your brain, upgrade your emotional intelligence, and enhance your physiological well-being. It's about becoming the architect of your own mind, shaping it into a haven of calm and clarity. It's about embracing the fullness of your experience, cultivating an open heart, and integrating mindfulness into every aspect of your life.